Hey there, fellow explorers! Today I'm taking you on a wild adventure, Amazon style, but with a twist. Imagine you're deep in the rainforest, but everything around you is made out of clay. That's right, we're diving into the Amazon jungle in full-on claymation, where every leaf, critter, and drop of rain is handcrafted and bursting with personality. Let's start our journey at sunrise. The jungle is waking up and the sounds are just magical. You hear the distant call of a howler monkey, so loud it shakes our little clay trees. Up in the branches, you spot a troop of squirrel monkeys. They're zipping from vine to vine, tails waving like tiny flags. In claymation, their faces are even more expressive, and I swear, one just winked at you. Zooming in, let's meet the Amazon's feathered celebrities. Here comes a bright scarlet macaw, flapping through the canopy. Those reds and blues, they practically glow in clay. Nearby, a pair of toucans are having a noisy debate, probably about who gets the juiciest fruit. Their giant beaks look even more hilarious when they're sculpted from clay. Trust me. Now keep your eyes peeled. The jungle's full of surprises. Suddenly, a three-toed sloth appears, slowly making its way across a branch. The claymation style captures every detail: the squishy nose, the sleepy eyes, the fuzzy moss growing on its back. It's like watching a living cartoon, only it's totally based on real Amazon magic. But wait, there's more. Down at the forest floor, the king of stealth is on the move. That's right, a jaguar. Muscles rippling under its clay-spotted coat, it prowls silently through the undergrowth. Jaguars are the apex predators here, and even in clay, they're majestic and mysterious. Don't worry, our clay camera crew is safe. If you listen close, you'll catch the symphony of rare birds, harpy eagles with their wild crown of feathers, and tiny hummingbirds flitting so fast they almost blur. In claymation, these birds look absolutely whimsical, like something out of a dream. What I love about seeing the Amazon in this style is how it brings out the wonder and the wackiness. The jungle is full of contrasts: thundering storms and peaceful moments, playful monkeys and powerful predators. And claymation captures both the beauty and the weirdness, making every scene unforgettable. So next time you think of the Amazon, picture it in clay. It's wild, it's vibrant, and it's alive, just waiting for you to explore. If you want more claymation adventures, hit that like button and subscribe. Who knows where we'll travel next? Thanks for joining me on this one-of-a-kind journey. Stay curious and keep exploring.